want to print from 1 to 5, I can use print statements like these. But what if I want to print till 100? It will be very tough to copy and paste all these statements. To counter this, we have something called loops in programming, which help us avoid repetitive tasks. Let's learn about the for loop. If we say for I in range 5, it means I will start from 0 with a step of 1, and whatever we write inside this for loop will just be repeated 5 times because we have an ending condition where when I becomes 5 the loop will terminate. Since I starts from 0 it will go to 4, and as soon as it is 5 the loop will break. Now if we print I plus 1, we'll get 1 to 5, what we required earlier. Now let's say we don't want to start our I with 0. We can provide a start number in the range function like this. And now if we print just I, we'll get 3 and 4. And as soon as the number becomes 5, the loop will break. Now let's say we change our ending number to 20. Now if we run our code, we'll get numbers from 3 till 19. By default, the increment is always 1. By passing in a third number in range, we can also provide the step. Now you can see the increment becomes 2. The loop will terminate as soon as the iterator becomes 20.